Hey everybody, I'm Mitchell.
I'm Mason.
And welcome back to another Fort Worth Fabric News. We're a little quicker to this time with this one. Like we're starting to pump
two in 1 month.
It's crazy. Wow. So to start off, want to say we have a sale going on right now. It is a gift card sale. It requires a minimum of $50, but once you spend $50, you get 10% extra. That being said, say you bought a $50 gift card, you get an extra $5 towards it. If you got a $100 gift card, you get an extra $10 towards it, and so on and so forth. Basically, you'll go to that page. There will be different amounts you can select. You'll select any of those, and you hit add to cart, and the 10% will already automatically be added in there. If you have nothing in your cart and you put one gift card and hit add, your cart should now show that there's 2 items in there, and if you open it up, you'll see your gift card plus the 10%.
That can also be used for, say, you're just gonna make a regular order here, not even, because you may be buying a gift card for a gift for Christmas or something like that for somebody, but it could be for yourself. If you are gonna go ahead and order here, you could use that certain amount that you were gonna spend on your certain order that you're gonna have, and boom, just put that amount in gift cards, and then you get that extra money. You're saving money. You got extra money.
Like without even having to do 10% off. Just for one extra step of getting your own.
You might as well do that every single time now. And it's till December 31st also. It's till the end of the year. So anytime from now, today's the 9th to the 31st.
It is, but by the time this video goes up, it'll probably be...
Whenever it is that you're seeing this until the 31st, it's valid for you to go use.
And that is in 2022. If you're watching this in 2023, 2024, whatever, it's a little gone. We might do another sale this year, but...
You're a little late, but it's fine.
Next is the Woodland Wander Kit. This kit is
76 by 76.
76 by 76. It is $269.96. I know that's a little pricey, but let me tell you why. You get actually a pretty good deal with this one. So first off, of course, you're gonna get your pattern with it. On top of that, you're gonna get the 2 books that have rulers in them that'll help you complete this kit a lot easier. And these are coming with all the kits. This is an intermediate level kit. However, I can say on the back of the pattern, there's a link at the bottom where you have to type that in on your URL, where she has tutorial. Like she has a tutorial video going through, or multiple tutorial videos going through how to make this kit. While it is intermediate, I feel like if you watch the videos, you might be able to do it relatively easily. Plus you get the 2 rulers to go with it to make it a lot easier as is. So let's go through a couple of these and show off what this kit looks like. Got some wood on top. What would you call that? I don't even know what that pattern is. Zigzag?
Yeah, zigzag plaid kind of thing going on.
Okay. Then you got some floral on like that's not cream. That's like a
Dijon
mustard.
Dijon mustard type.
Then you get some
that's like carrot colored.
Carrot color, yeah. And then you get that's like imprints of flowers. That's kind of cool. Also on a mustard.
Really cool. That's kind of like fossils.
Yeah, it is. You get some big leaves on like a coral type color, like a dark red, or not red, but
a burgundy.
Yeah, burgundy.
Amber.
Get some trees on like a gray. You get some just plaid to go with it. Some butterflies on a cream. You get some bunnies and squirrels and hedgehogs.
How cute!
That's awesome. You get some owls and the pine cones.
Pine cone.
So it's probably a pine tree then. Well, there's also some acorns in there too. Interesting. You get this floral on like a dark blue. You get a same floral on like that burgundy again. And then you get this cool one because it has birds on it. If you can zoom in here, you'll see there's some cool birds and nests on I guess an acorn tree on this one. I know the picture on the kit may not do this kit its justice, but I feel like this kit is really cool.
It's very pretty, yes.
It is, like I said, it is $269.96, so it is a little pricey, but like I said, that comes with these 2 rulers that are included in the kit. That being said, I feel like that makes this a lot better of a deal.
And if, Justin, you want to get a little closer, there is an image of the quilt, or what it'll look like whenever y'all are done.
And it's 76 by 76, so it is quite a decent size, I would say. Yeah. Next, we have the Shannon Quilt Kit.
Very
green. Has some
Very
clovers.
Very St. Patrick's Day.
Very, yes. Which is coming up. That's March, so
yeah.
we're getting relatively close. Might be
Good time to buy it.
Yeah. I mean, we also got Valentine's Day, but I mean, if you're trying to be an extra step ahead, here you go. This one's a 35 by 35.
It's a little smaller.
It's a table topper. This is featuring Lucky Charms from Andover. We can go through a couple of the patterns. Why not? So got the pattern here, of course. A bunch of clovers on green. I'm gonna assume that's probably gonna be most of these pieces. I don't even know what you would call that print.
It looks like a 4-leaf clover.
Well, yeah, but I mean. All right. Next, we got little flowers on green with a little zigzag line. Same thing. Oh wait, what we got?
Checkerboard.
Checkerboards. That's cool. But we have that same one, but a little darker green. Okay. Ooh, bigger vines with clovers on them.
Yeah.
More clovers.
Clovers.
Hey, guess we got more clovers.
Mini, small, a whole bunch of clovers.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even more clovers on a darker green. Wow. Crazy.
With a black background. Looks great.
This is a clover friendly. Oh, we got the checkerboards again. And a little darker green, like that. Ooh, little swirls.
Oh,
with clovers.
Cool. Oh, clovers.
Can't forget the clovers.
Of course.
Same thing, but on a green instead of a white background.
Clovers.
Clovers.
Yes.
A checkerboard.
Checkerboard.
We're back to checkerboard on white. All right. Still the checkerboard on white. And finally, clovers on black.
Nice.
So, of course, this is gonna be a very clover-friendly kit. And as you see in the picture here, you create like your own clovers on top of it, which I think is pretty cool.
What's the price on that one, Mr.?
This one is priced at $87.96.
Not bad, not bad.
So this kit will turn into sort of like a scrappy looking kit, if that makes sense, just because there's a lot of clovers through it. So you see we have some checkerboards going along the edge, just like we saw within the group. And on top of that, you can make your own clovers in the middle. So I think that's a cool little kit for the coming
St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day. I couldn't remember it. We do have a couple more pocket packs and cake packs that we have added recently. So if you saw that from our last video, that came out probably like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago now. I don't know, we'll see. If you are interested in any of those, we have more colors that we have added now. So you can go look through all those.
So let's just recap real quick. There's the gift card sale.
10%. You get 10% back. As long as you spend $50 or more on the gift cards, you get 10% back.
Yeah.
It is automatically added to your cart. You do not have to do anything special. No code you have to type in. Literally just add the gift card to your account or to your cart. It should be in there, ready to go. That ends on the 31st of this month in 2022.
So you still have some time. And then next we have those two other kits that we talked about. The Woodland Wander, which is the big guy at 76.76. Yeah.
Yep.
That came with the pattern and the 2 books and the rulers and all those goodies for $269.96. And then we have the Shannon kit, which was the Lucky Charms looking kit, the St. Patrick's Day kit.
Lucky Charms.
it's Lucky Charms from Andover, but
that makes sense.
And don't forget the pocket packs. So we will see y'all soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow all of our socials that we'll have linked down below. Especially check out our TikTok because we're posting on there more regularly again.
If you have any comments, drop them in this video. We will go back and respond. I know I just did that a little bit earlier today. And I guess with that, we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Thanks for watching.